tell you a term, when I express a term to you, I'm giving you all the mechanics and information and principles behind that term. It's not just a one-off. It's not just a term and you go, oh, that means no. Oh, I do this. I take these steps to do this, to do this, to do this. So in Safe Haven promotes an ability for me to enter into rubber guard on how you do your Safe Haven. So get on my back, get on my back. He has my arm, right? Drop down, I get low. If somebody says Safe Haven, here I am, like this. I start shimmying out, right? I get here, I'm on his arm, I turn. He comes up, I shrimp out, boom, there I am. Rubber guard from Safe Haven. Pyramid, I'm good, right here. Now, I got New Jersey, I'm good. Fight is over right here. Now, all I gotta do is clear the neck. Boom, clear the neck, trap his leg, boom. Game's over. All from my Safe Haven. Do you understand that?
Yep.
It's very important that you understand these terms and then where you can go from there. I'll go Safe Haven, mission control, Carney,